Hey guys, welcome back to Home Fitness. As you can see, we are back in the garden, but any of these exercises can be done indoors. Just be careful. Lifting anything heavy without a spotter. Home workouts are a great opportunity to get creative with what we lift, so use your imagination. As always, remember, warm up, cool down and stay hydrated. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.